Come on, do something stupid. Come on. I know you want to do something stupid. Yes. Look at that, look at that confusion.
Fuck you.
Aw, did somebody not eat his Wheaties? Pick it up and take it over the back bumper. I mean, if you can't lift it, you can just say, hey, I'm not strong enough to lift it.
It's not about that, it's not off balance.
It's gonna what? Hey, Ron will show you how to lift something. No, don't fit through there.
What the heck are you talking about?
You lift up the back and take it over the top of the bumper. No, god damn it. You lift the back of the thing up so it goes over the bumper. Jesus Christ. There we go! I can stop filming.